of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Of this property, so you can see what is prior to visiting photo ID and check-in. The property itself measures 30 cars and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.